Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my beauty empties from October. So if you're not sure what an empties video is, it's basically where people like myself use up products throughout the month, hang on to the rubbish, and then talk about how we feel about those products whilst holding up our rubbish. So I've got a little basket of goodies here. It looks like a lot, but actually this box just takes up most of the space. I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to take things out one by one and just tell you how I feel about them. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to just go with the big thing. So this was a little pack of bath bombs from Bubble Tea. My husband actually spotted these and thought I might want them and pointed them out to me, and I went, oh, well spotted hubby, thank you very much. So I did pick these up. So there were 5 bath fizzers in here. They were all individually wrapped. There were 4 different scents, I think. So there was summer fruits tea, lemongrass and green tea, hibiscus and acai berry tea, and Moroccan mint tea. So there were 4 scents, but 5 of them. I think there was 2 of the hibiscus and acai berry tea. I quite like them. I do like to have a nice relaxing soak in the bath. So bath bombs, bath salts, bubble bath. I do quite enjoy getting. I tend to get through a lot of it. So yeah, so this was really nice to have. I think we had it as a bit of a clearance deal as well, so they were quite cheap. And yeah, I really enjoyed them and would definitely use some more Bubble Tea bath fizzers in future. Bubble Tea is a brand that I've had a few items from in the past, and I've quite enjoyed what I've had, so it wasn't a massive surprise when I enjoyed them. But yeah, that's those. And we might as well stick with the theme, because I've just realised that I've got another 2 Bubble Tea products in here as well. So we've got the Bubble Tea Earl Grey Bath Tea. I got this in, I think it was probably October's Look Fantastic beauty box. It was a sort of a special, it was sort of especially for the box. So I think this had citrus in it, if I remember correctly. Doesn't actually tell me on the back of here, but I'm pretty sure there was some sort of citrus scent in here. I liked it. It was bath salts. What can I say? I used them all. This little bag, I just poured the whole bag in. Used it all in one go. It was really nice. It was nice to have a bit of a soak in it. I did not feel like I was steeping like a tea bag. I just felt like I was having a nice relaxing soak. So yeah, nice. As I said, Bubble Tea, would repurchase. And then again, Bubble Tea, I bought these in October and I used them in October. So these are the Bubble Tea Bath Crumble. This was in the scent Peach. I think I got these from Home Bargains, which is like a discount store in the UK if you're not sure. And they were really cheap, as you would expect from a store like that. The peach fragrance was a little bit fake, but not massively so. For me, I enjoyed it. I liked it. It was just little blocks of basically bath fizzer, little chunks, little different sized chunks. You just sort of grabbed a handful, sprinkled it into your bath. They fizzed away, turned your bath sort of a peachy sort of colour, and gave off a nice scent as well. Again, nice, relaxing. I'm going to stop saying the same thing over and over. I would buy again. So next we've got under eye mask. Come on. So this was from Star Skin, and this was the Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. I have a feeling that these came in the same box that the Earl Grey bath salts did. Yeah, I enjoyed them. I quite like using under eye masks. They just feel quite nice and refreshing. It sort of feels like you're giving yourself a bit of a pamper. I've said it before, I'm sure I'll say it again, I'm not entirely sure that the claims of face masks and eye masks are up to much, but I just enjoy the feel of them. I think they can make your skin feel better short term, but as for long term effects, I wouldn't know. But yeah, as a bit of a treat, I quite like them. Would I repurchase? As with quite a lot of things in my collection, I don't need to. I've got a few eye masks in my collection at the moment, so I don't really need to buy any more. But if I got another one in another box or something like that, then you know, I wouldn't say no. I'd use it. So that's that. And another sort of face mask, well, face mask thing. This was this Slice Mask Sheet, Strawberry from Coco Star. Now, when I got this, I don't think I fully understood what it was, so I thought this was a full-on sheet mask. It says Slice Mask Sheet. I thought maybe it was a poor translation and that it meant a sheet mask. It wasn't. It was basically a sheet of strawberry slice pictures in Serum, obviously. But yeah, so it was literally just like these little strawberry pieces that you just sort of put on your face, which I can sort of see why people might like that. You might only want to have serum in specific places, but for me this was just annoying, really annoying. So I just wanted a sheet mask, and I think that was part of why I found it annoying, because it wasn't what I thought it was. So I kind of had to adjust what I was doing because I'd opened it already. But yeah, I think I wouldn't buy anything like this again. I want a face mask, not pieces of mask. And also the strawberry scent on this was so fake. It was just really sickly sweet, and I just wasn't a fan. And I'm not averse to fragrance products, but even for me this was just too much. So wasn't a fan, would not repurchase. So next is this Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. That's the only thing with these bottles, is they're clear and the writing's really hard to see when there's no product inside. But this was the Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I think, yeah, I quite liked this scent. I like floral fragrances in perfume. I like fruity fragrances for my bath. Combine the two together, we're pretty much onto a winner. I can't remember where I had this from. I think it was definitely in a subscription box, but I can't remember which one. But yeah, I used it, I liked it, and Molten Brown's a bit of an expensive brand, so I can't see myself sort of purchasing a full-size version just for myself, but again, I'd be more than happy to receive another one. So that's that. Next we've got hand cream, and this was from the Body Shop. This is the Wild Argan Oil hand cream with slow pressed argan oil from the Little Atlas Mountains in Morocco. I have mixed feelings about this. I adore the scent of this. It smells amazing. I think it's got yeah, so it's got sweet almond oil in, and it's just, oh my god, just smells amazing. But in terms of its effectiveness as a hand cream, I'm not sold. It's quite a thin texture, which I don't like something that's too thick and heavy and greasy, but at the same time I felt like I was just putting this on and it just wasn't really doing anything. So I wouldn't buy another one, but if the Body Shop were to make this fragrance into a candle, I absolutely would buy that. It smelled so good. I would literally just put this on just so that I could smell it, because as I said, as a hand cream I wasn't that fussed. So yeah, I liked it, but not for the reason that I was supposed to like it. And that's that. Next I've just got a little perfume sample. and this was from Nuxe. This was the Le Matin de Possible perfume. This came as a part of a duo. I think there's a Le Soir version as well. But yeah, I've used the day one first. I'm trying to use up some of my perfume samples at the moment as part of my project pan. Not doing very well with these this month, but I'll get into that in the project pan video. But yeah, quite like this. It's not my favourite scent. It's quite fresh, and I tend to go for sort of more floral sorts of things, and this was a bit more sort of a grassy sort of scent. So it was nice. I didn't hate it. I wore it, but it's not something that I would repurchase. But that's that one. Okay, so next is this from Colour Wow, and this is the Dreamcoat Supernatural Spray. This is just a little mini version. I've had one of these before. I've got a full size version. I think I've probably got another one in this size as well. I originally had one in this size before, and I remember liking it, so I bought another couple of minis, and then I got a full size in, I think it was probably my last cohorted box. And then I totally forgot all about it. I just forgot to use it, put it to the back of my hair care drawer, forgot all about it. I've rediscovered this, and I'd forgotten how much I liked it. I forgot why I liked it. I really, really like it. It just helps to make my hair more glossy and look a bit more smooth. Normally I've got quite a lot of frizz going on top, but since I've started using this again, it's just not been as bad. So love this stuff. Finished off the mini. I'm working my way through the full size one now. When that's run out and I've used up the other mini that I've got, I can absolutely foresee me buying another one. So yay, happy that I've rediscovered that. Okay, and then I've got two products here. I think they're the last two products that I've got in this little tub. They're not empty, but I am getting rid of them. I don't know which one to talk about first. I really don't. So I think we'll go with this one because I don't want to look at it anymore. This makes me so sad. If you're liable to sort of be a bit queasy, maybe look away now for a second. But yeah, I'm getting rid of this. Look at the state of it. Oh my gosh, I think no explanation is needed as to why I'm getting rid of this. So this is the I've taken it off screen for anybody that was liable to feel queasy. But this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. If you were looking at the screen, you'd see I haven't really used an awful lot of it, and I was so excited when I got this. I waited for such a long time for this to become available in the UK. So long, and when it did, I bought it, and then I never used it. And then I was going through my things the other week and I found this, and I just took one look at it and went, oh no, yeah, it's gone. It's not looking fresh. So the colour's changed. It was originally pink in colour, it's now a weird sort of white colour, and then there's the oil, because it's a biphase product, so it's normal to have the oil sitting on top of it, but that oil is not the right colour at all. And I sort of had a bit of a sniff of it as well, and it doesn't smell quite right. It does still smell a little bit of watermelon, but there's a distinct sort of play-doughy sort of smell starting to come through. So I'm so sad. I'm so sad, because I really did, when I did use it, I really did enjoy using it, and I'm really sad that I've just let it go to waste, because this stuff is not cheap either. So I will get another one. I'm probably not going to do it just yet. I do have a few sort of mists and that in my collection, so I'm probably not going to buy one straight away, but I am going to get another one. And when I do, I will make sure I use it, because now I know now I know how it can go if you don't. The thing with this though as well is it doesn't really have a long shelf life on it, so its period after opening is only 8 months. But yeah, I'm sad. But these things do happen. I just need to try and make sure it doesn't happen again. And then the last thing I'm getting rid of isn't because it's expired. I just don't like it. It's that simple. So this is the Hydrating Glow Serum from Hugo. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's as close as I'm going to get anyway, I think. So this is a serum, obviously. One of the things I don't like about this is the packaging. It's just not good. So I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to be able to show you on the top. Can you see all around here? All the products just sort of seeping out. It's also doing it around the squeezy part as well here. So when you open it up, it just looks not pretty. But yeah, it's an orange. It's an orange liquid. The dropper isn't great. I'm literally not squeezing that, and already there's fluid trying to come out of it. Not great packaging, but I didn't like the texture of this. I tried using it for a couple of months and I just didn't get on with it at all. Every time I used it, it just felt quite thick and greasy. So whenever I put it on, I just felt like my skin was just greasy. So I'm not a fan. The scent of this as well is, I didn't enjoy it. It's quite herbally, which isn't a bad thing, but it's quite strong. And as I've said, I don't mind a fragrance. I don't even mind a strong fragrance on most things, but this was another level. I think it got a lot of herb type ingredients in it. Let me just say. So there was let's see if there's anything I can recognise. Rosa canina fruit oil, macadamia, seed oil. I think there was Rosmarinus officinalis leaf extract, and lots of citrus type things as well. So it was a lot. It was a lot. And I could probably have got around the fragrance if I liked the actual product, but I just didn't like it. So I used it for a couple of months. It's nowhere near empty, but I don't want to use it. I've got other things that I would rather try. I've got things in my collection that are probably closer to an expiry date than this is. I'd rather try those and give those a chance than persevere with something that I just don't enjoy. So that was that one, and that was the last of my empties. So as always, now it's over to you guys. What did you think of my empties this month? Is there something in here that you've tried and enjoyed or not enjoyed? Maybe you agree with me about something, maybe you don't agree with me about something. Let me know all of that in the comments down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button for me. It just helps to let me know that you're enjoying my content. I do empties videos, obviously. I also do beauty purchases videos, a Project Pan series, and I do a few beauty subscription unboxings as well. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, I would definitely consider hitting that subscribe button too. And with all of that being said, I really hope everyone's doing okay at the moment, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.